To fix Shopify payment not showing up, follow these steps. First, ensure you have set up your payment provider correctly. Go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings, then Payments. Verify that your payment provider is listed and that all required information is filled in. Next, check if your payment method is supported by Shopify. Shopify supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and other third-party gateways. Make sure your payment method is compatible with Shopify. Then, review your store's payment settings. Check if you have enabled the correct payment gateway and if you have set up any payment restrictions. Also, ensure that your store's currency matches the currency of your payment provider. Another step is to check for any technical issues. Ensure that your store's theme is up to date and that there are no conflicts with other apps or themes. You can try switching to a default theme to see if the issue persists. Additionally, check your payment provider's status. Ensure that your payment provider is not experiencing any downtime or technical issues. You can check your payment provider's website or contact their support team to see if there are any known issues. If you have tried all the above steps and the issue still persists, try resetting your payment settings. Go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings, then Payments. Click on the three dots next to your payment provider and select Reset. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Shopify support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide further assistance. Make sure to provide them with as much detail as possible about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages you may be seeing. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Shopify payment not showing up. Remember to always review your store's payment settings and ensure that your payment provider is compatible with Shopify.